Hello everyone. In this no. Hello everyone. Today we will look more close to the Enscape, how it's working, how you can start work with that, and what you need to start success. So the first, for example, I will go to the level 1 to the my plan, and we will create the camera. This so pretty much easy. So for the camera we will go to the view, 3D and camera. I don't wanna save now, and let's create camera like this, for example. Of course it's will open standard Revit camera. Now we will start. So this is 3D view 1, so our name of the 3D view, and we will start to render it. So I'm choosing 3D view 1 here, okay, and started. Few seconds and Enscape will start to render this scene, and we will make some changes. It's still here we are. As you see it here already some texture like the grass, some sky, I mean the HDR the map, and some trees already changed to the more realistic one. Let's make the around noon like this. And let's apply some changes. For example, I want to change the camera. Maybe I want to make it I don't know, maybe I want it to do from here. Let's create like this, like this, like this. And how I can get camera from this side to the Revit? It's easy. Just create view, Enscape view 1, and he creating the view. And as you see, in 3D we now get Enscape view 1. So we're going here and we get this view camera in Revit. It's pretty much simple to create some camera. Okay, this is what about the camera. What the next? We have settings with camera. For example, if I will go to the settings, here we have the all settings in Enscape. So as you see, it's not so much. For that, I can change the angle of camera. Some simple. Of course, I can do 2-point view. 2-point view you can find here in the general, and just check this box. What else about the camera? Also, if you go to advanced, you will see the spectre height. This means if you go to the camera, now we on the walkthrough mode, so we can if I will use the space, we can change to fly mode. So this is don't have any difference if we'll change the height. If I will tap on the space again, he changing to the walkthrough mode, and he making like 1.7 from the floor meters. So for example, you are 2 meters, or maybe you're too short. Anyway, let's check by 1.7. This more than enough. This is done about the camera. Here don't have any more settings about the camera. The other settings, this about the material, and we will speak now about the material. Now material. So actually, if you don't need some special materials, you need just a simple and basic material. The Enscape, I mean the company who did Enscape, they already provide that materials. If you go to them website, you will find Revit materials test project. So as you see here, the some basic materials, even the water, you can find it. For example, I already have this file. Let's open this file. Let's close everything, and let's open the file with materials, this one, and here the some render list. And you can see we have the plaster, with texture and without any texture. For example, we have the three type of concrete, few type of the glass, and here. So this is more than enough for us. Even the wood and some tile the bricks also we have. So this good, we can use it. How to use that? It's pretty simple. Just we should go back to our project here. After that, go to the manage, transfer project standards, check none, and from the advanced material test, again check none. We need only materials, so materials, and okay, only new one. Few seconds, done. If we will go now to the materials, of course you will find new materials from that project. So as you see, the material polished, acrylic, ash, brick, whatever you want. Wait, it's still loading. Yes, even the wood here. If you don't know how to the name of the material, of course you can always go to the advanced material. For example, I want ceramic, this one, right? Just go to the floor plan. Let's see. Ceramic. So this name of Linin. Okay. Let's check the material. Yes, this one. Okay. Let's find this material in my project now. This is our project material. Few seconds. It's here, so we can use it already. As you see in the graphics, that material don't have anything, but here the most settings they did. So of course you can change it, up to you. Maybe you want some pattern and create some unique design for this material. It's not of course V-Ray, but you can improve that materials to get more nice result than we have now. And what the next great thing what we have from the Enscape. So if we will go again to the site from them, of course you can see the IES light gallery. If you're using for example some lights from Revit and you want some night view, just for my opinion, just look on this one. Here you will find some people, some trees, bushes, and everything else. So this much better. You can download it and just put some different trees, for example. Let's see the file. If we'll go again to the Revit, I already opened it. So let's close everything, and here, as you see, we have trees, some trees, even the palm, some people. Let's take some people, okay? That one, and that one, maybe. And go again to our project. So, and I want to put some people, for example. Yes, I want for people, some people here, maybe a bit here. No, let's leave that there. Go here. He will updating now, and people already here. Maybe it will be better if I will go to the plan view, and I'll change it here, and I will rotate it. And now I will rotate it like this. And now let's go back and check result. So I just opened the Enscape, and as you see, our people is here. Of course, we can change the daytime to see more clear. But don't forget, this is just viewport, it's not final render. And what else I want to change? For example, I want to change that road. It's doesn't look like asphalt. So let's change it to the other one. For that I will go to 3D view I will choose this asphalt and let's change it. I not will choose the standard one, I just will create mine own. So here the texture like this one. I don't need any texture. Yeah, it's so. Oh, let's give it the brightness like this. Maybe it will help us. Let's try it. Wait, bump brightness also. Oh yes, brightness also will be increased. Let's try it, how it looks like. Oh yes, it's much better. It's not black one, now it's something like gray. It looks more better. So what else we can do now? We can render this and put inside to our project. So we will go to the screenshot and screenshot to the as the rendering. So just click on that, wait till it's rendering, few seconds, and you will find it's inside the project. If you will go now to the 3D, just few seconds, keep thinking. Rendered Enscape here, and you can put to your project already. Of course you can do the video, but I don't think you need it. You really need it, because it's a bit a long time to get the video. But what I recommend for you, the Panorama, my Panorama. This really I recommend for you. If for example I will open some 3D view, maybe what this one, for example this one, right? I will go to the Enscape and take Panorama from this view, this floor public day, floor public day rendering, this one. Okay, and yes, I want take mono panorama. So let's go, and I will back when it will finish. So this was finished. So, and let's see our result. Here in my panorama, just click on it and you see we get one panorama. Just for example, I want to upload to the cloud. Maybe I want send to my boss, maybe to my teacher, or maybe to my customer, I don't know. And this opened on the web, and of course you can see your panorama. So I just spent I no wanna lie, like 3 or 4 minutes for this panorama, so it's pretty fast. Of course there are some wrongs, you should change the view, but I'm doing this fast, and this is section. Here the section box, that's why he cut it. If I will switch off the section box, everything will be okay here. But anyway, as you see, it's pretty nice. It can be work. What else can do the Enscape, and what can be useful for you? I think the expert like exe. It means, for example, you want to send like this, a bit interactive, to your customer, but of course your customer don't have Revit or even Enscape, and how he can, for example, walk inside your building. You will ask him to install Revit? Of course no. So Enscape give you the chance using the exe file, so he can open that file and walk inside. So how it's working, we will see again now. I will export to the, I don't know, here, and again when I will finish I will back, and I'm back. So this takes like also about 4 minutes, and as you see, the export was success. And also the file is not so large, it's around 150 mg, so it's not bad, it's not so big. Okay, let's see what we get. As you see, our Enscape is here. Let's open up. Just a few seconds. So it's you don't need the Enscape to open this file. And as you see, your client can see what you wanna say to him. Also, he can walk in that part what you send at him. Of course, he cannot go to the other side, because I just send it section box. I mean, I did section box, that's why we cannot go to the downstairs. But anyway, of course, it's a bit like slow motion as you see. Anyway, your client can use, or even your teacher, lecturer, whatever, can see what you wanna say to him and what you wanna I don't know, like change, show to him. Anyway, so this is what about EXE. It's so awesome, the chance to introduce your idea and maybe your concept or maybe final project. And it's that's it for now. So if you have some special questions or any question, just ask me below in the comment. I will try to make another video about the Enscape and show you how you can work from the start to the end with the Enscape, how the materials working and some tricks with materials, something like that. So, but anyway, you can leave your comments. Maybe you have some special questions, and I will try to include in my next video. Thank you guys, and see you next time.